Today on the 18th of July 2025. Vi har Vaakonraitti 4 stekesäilytyslasaketstekesäilytys out the bad Herrera.
Yeah.
And this was built in 1997, possibly the beginning of 1997 because on the glass it says 95. And they use that. It's a versus 68733. Has the Explorer, so the Explorer was 2 years here, of course. It's also in Haapalinna, Tampere, Tampere, vilka man bygger i Finland.
Teit kaikki väistyttää, että meidän tein Suomen hissiurakointi.
Second round. I love these lenses right here.
Same here.
Yes, that's it.
That's